Hello, friends, welcome back. Happy New Year to all of you. So, today, continuing with our previous edition on the pandas, Python pandas, today we will cover reading a CSV file from a file location and then running program based on that. So, I will just share my code. Just a moment. Okay, so we have this program. Let me change the date. 1st January. So this program reads a CSV file stored at a location in the computer and does various operations on it. So first command is import pandas SPD, where we import the pandas library. Then we have a variable football stats underscore df. In this we read a file using pandas pd.read underscore csv method. So this file is in D drive and you can see the location. TechWorks. I will just show you the location. So this is the location in the operating system. I will just show the file. Okay, I will just enlarge it a bit. So we have a list of football players, their age, total earnings in USD, and their country. So we'll just do some basic operations with this data. Okay, so here is our program. So once we have read the input, then we will print the data frame. So we first print the complete list, and there we have the command print complete list, then print and the variable name. So this will print all the complete list. Then we print some initial lines using football stats underscore df dot head. After that, we will we can also use tail, but here I will just go ahead and print the country list. After once we have done that, we have if I will just show you the file again, we have the names in a certain way here. So we have the total earnings USD player name, but somehow for doing some of the mathematical calculations using Pandas PD, we might face some issues. So what we do, we rename. And how we rename? We just randomly rename them. So we have this football stats underscore df dot rename columns equal to football stats underscore df dot columns one. So player, we rename the first column to player underscore name. Then we rename the third column to total underscore USD underscore earnings. So now there is no space in between and we can do our different calculations and operations without any issue. Then we give a blank line. Again, after that, we print the player names. So we can format this in other ways if we like. There are other formatting options also. Then we do some calculations. So here we have age more than 31. For that, we use the method football stats underscore df dot loc. So here we capture the comparative location, or you can say the place in the CSV. Then we capture the column. So we use that for that the variable. If in this case the variable name is slightly longer, you can use a shorter name. Then we have this age, which we keep as greater than 31 to select all the players whose age is more than 31. After that, we again call the method df.log, and then we capture all those players whose age is less than 36 years. So this will give us all the players listing who are less than 36 years of age. Then next, what we will do, we haven't formatted the numeric value for USD earnings totally, but here what we will do, we will capture all those players whose total USD earnings are more than 60 followed by 60. So we will just calculate thousand. So six 600 So basically, I will just, okay, you can just calculate. It's in millions, so we can just, you can just calculate in your mind. So it will print all those whose earning is more than this level. So let's run this program and see how the output is. So we'll use pycharm and have copied the program here. Okay, here I will just edit the date. It's 1st January. So new year, new start. Okay, so then we proceed with the program. Here we read the CSV file, then list out the complete list of the players along with their name, age, country, and the earnings. We print initial few columns, then we have the country list, and then we rename the columns. Once we have renamed them, we print out the player names. Then we have those players whose age will be more than 31 and then less than 36, and then the earnings. So let's run this. I will just right click on run football stats. Okay, let's see the output. So here you can see we get the complete list which is there in the Excel. So we have 10 players here: Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr., Kylian Mbappe, Karim, Erling, Mohamed Salah, Sadio Mane, Kevin De Bruyne, and Harry Kane. And if we go here to the output, then we see the complete list here. Okay. Uh, Maybe we might need to explore some ways like the out formatting might not be that satisfactory, but this is the complete list that we see on the Excel in the CSV format and the here. And then we print the head randomly selects some of the top rows, and then we see 5 records here, starting from Cristiano Ronaldo to down to Karim Benzema. Again, we get the country list. So we have players from Portugal, Argentina, Brazil, two from France, Norway, Egypt, Senegal, Belgium, and England. And then we see, you can see the data type. So it's an object data type. Then we get the player names. Cristiano, starting from Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, down to Harry Kane. And again, that automatically we get the object, this player name as object. And then what we get, we listed the players whose age is less than 31. Age is greater than 31. So we have four players here: Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Karim Benzema, and Kevin De Bruyne. So they have certain level of experience in years, and all of them are above 31. So all those players who were below 31 or who are equal to 31. Okay, so here we have greater than 31. I will do one more thing to just show you something. Okay, so then we list out players whose age is less than 36. So we get almost all the players except I think Cristiano Ronaldo, who is 38. So we get all the other players here. Then we list out those whose earnings are above certain value. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players whose earnings are more than that limit. Now let's do one thing. Let's see how it works. Okay, we don't change the variable and we run this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so in this list, you can see there is a change. Maybe we can add a title here, but here we see the players whose age is greater than equal to 31. So we get more records now. Like you can see Neymar Jr. is 31 and Mohamed Salah and Sadio Mane, both of them are 31 years of age. So we were not getting these three in the earlier list. Okay, so now we get that. I think okay, that list is gone, I suppose. The other outputs remain the same. So in this way, we can do other operations also. And here maybe we can print the tail also. Let's see what output we get. Maybe tail and 5. Okay, let's see what output we get. So let's see after the head and just before the country list. Okay, we get these players who were starting from here, from Erling to down to Harry Kane. Okay, so that's all for today. We will continue with more operation errors because I would like to figure out some of the maximum averages and maybe some other statistical functions how we can use using Pandas. So we'll do that and share with you how that can be done. As of now, again, a very happy new year and have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.